Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to install Mendeley desktop. So first you need to open a browser like this, and then you need to search Mendeley, and after searching Mendeley you will get this, then www.mendeley.com, and then you need to click here. And if you already have account, so you don't need to create account. And if you're the first time, so first you need to create a free account. After create a free account, you need to sign in. So I already create a new account, so I'm signing right now. You can see here SM Tarikul Islam, so this is my name. I'm signed. So it's just simple. You just put your email and password and sign in. Yeah, and then you need to click here and download Mendeley. Okay, and yeah, here you can see the download for Windows. So if you are using Mac or Linux, maybe you can download for this, and I'm using Windows, so that's why I'm clicking download Mendeley. Yeah, it's downloading. Only 145 MB megabyte. Yeah, you can see here Mendeley already downloaded, and here I will install right now. Here you can see the Mendeley. Then you right click and run as administrator. Yeah, it's only for, yeah, install it. It's very simple to installing. Yeah, it's finished. Here you can see the Mendeley reference. Okay, so first you need to click here. Yeah, and you need to put your email when you create your account. So yeah, continue and then password. And if you wish to sign in next time, obviously you click here, is to sign in, and if not, maybe you can uncheck and then sign in. Yeah, you can see the interface here. This is our interface. So it's very easy to create a Mendeley account and how to download and how to install, and this is the how to set up this one. Is everything right now is okay. Right now we need to use according to your needs. Yeah, that's all. Bye bye.